There's not too many companies in the world that's doing what we're doing, especially with the Land Cruiser. My name is Jeffrey Fraser. We are at Bespoke Motor Company in New Glasgow, Nova Scotia. I was born in Halifax, grew up in Miragamish, Nova Scotia, just outside New Glasgow. My role here at Bespoke is that I am the manager of the shop plus the lead tech. Currently, our main focus is on the FJ Land Cruisers. They are hand-built Canadian vehicles built here in Nova Scotia using some global components, but we're trying to keep it as local as possible, local being Canadian made and produced, and then Nova Scotia built. There's not going to be a whole lot of them built per year, so there's only going to be a few people that are able to purchase these vehicles, to have one built, personalized to them. The industry the way it is today, you can pretty much order whatever aspect of a vehicle you want. And of course we want to cater to the customer as well, so if the customer has an idea that they want us to try, we're more than willing to try something new, or whatever their color combinations or wheels and tires, whatever they want to try, we're open to whatever their demands may be. We have a great team here at Bespoke. I have two painters that probably combined have about 50 years of painting experience. They are full-time, both local guys. I have a gentleman that runs our CNC router, a couple other part-time guys that are really good mechanically inclined, good welders, and then myself, that I look after most of the electronics and the wiring of the vehicle. They are definitely four-season vehicles with the aluminum body and the heavy steel box frames that we're running. So they're built to withstand the harsh climate that Nova Scotia has to offer, with the snow, the rain, the ice, the sleet, salt, whatever you want to throw at it. Three words that describe what's going on in this building, I would have to say handmade, unique, one of a kind.